All right, guys, so we are on to carbon fiber day. So as you saw, we laid down our Carnauba wax, which is just wax from AutoZone. It's like the paste. You guys can find it. It's pretty cheap. I think it was like 12 bucks when I bought it last time or something like that. Maybe it was on sale, I don't know. And then you also saw me lay down our PVA, which was just hairspray. And that is just a water-soluble plastic film, basically, that we are laying down on the hood. It worked last time. It's probably not the best option, but it worked last time, so we're gonna use it again this time, and it was super cheap. So yeah, and then we have our carbon fiber laid out right here. We have 3 layers that I have right here. They are about 63 inches each, and we still have a little bit left over, so if we needed some more in some areas, we can go ahead and do that. But yeah, I think we are ready to start laying down some carbon fiber, guys. So we'll get the epoxy resin all mixed up. I'm going to be mixing up about 1 pack at a time, which is 32 ounces ish. And we have to make sure to get everything super accurate because we don't want it to come out like rubbery or sticky. We want it to actually harden up and solidify like epoxy resin is supposed to. So got to take care with doing that, especially with these kits from Michaels and Hobby Lobby and stuff. I hear a lot of bad reviews from that, so we're gonna get this right the first time, hopefully, and not waste like, I think it's like 60 bucks worth of carbon fiber. It's not really that much, but 60 bucks is 60 bucks, so we're not gonna waste that. So my camera, of course, stopped recording. So here is what we have so far. We have 2 layers on. We have the 3rd layer ready to go over here. We have a little bit more of the epoxy. We used about 3/4 of what I had, and it wetted out pretty nicely. I was focusing on doing it from the bottom up. So we laid down the coat that you guys saw, and then we laid the first sheet, pressed that into it and made the epoxy come through it, and then laid a little bit on top, and then same with this one. And yeah, that's where we are now. I am sorry, I accidentally had the camera settings all wrong on my GoPro, so I was recording at like 240 frames per second, and that killed up my memory time, so the camera ended up stopping recording, so disappointing. But we did get all of the carbon fiber laid on the part. You saw part of it, and it came out actually decent. I'm gonna let it sit overnight, and then another night. It says 24 to 48 hours, so we're gonna go the 48 hours and let it really cure up, and hopefully it solidifies. That's been one of the big issues about that Craft Alumilite epoxy resin, was people not getting it mixed properly or getting the wrong ratio and it coming out rubbery. So hopefully that doesn't happen to us, fingers crossed. But thank you guys for watching all the videos, and we will be back with another one here in like a couple days.